we can see here the air pressure is higher than 0.8, and I turn on the PTO switch. Okay, I turn it off. We can hear the air is released because we have the switch up here. The switch. This is the switch. Okay. And for testing, we are going to test the oil pump. The oil pump, we go to D. We press on the foot brake, go to D. And we release the handbrake. You can see the oil pump is running. 可以拉大拍一下，可以看那个油在动吗？你这样看不清楚吧？有看得到吗？你可以在那个方向看。这个就是 oil pump。Okay. Oil pump only runs when it's in D in gear D or gear R. And fifth one, we can see the DC-DC. The DC-DC is charging the current. This is the DC-DC. It's going out and charging the current is now the charging current is 4.6. So the DC-DC is working. DC 直接开那个充电电源。Next we test the liquid pump and the radiator fan. We need to judge we need to set the pump start temperature. Let's set to now the temperature of the controller is 27 and 30. We set to pump start at 20 and stop at 15. Right. Okay. We wait, and later the fan. 你可以拍那个你看水起来了。The liquid pump is working. 拍到。可以拍那风扇散热，可以看得到吗？ 你看风扇上面开始动。Now the liquid pump and the radial fan is all working. Now I turn the temperature to normal. And now I write to normal, and I close. Later, the oil pump, the liquid pump and the fan will be stopped. Now it's off because I just turn the temperature higher. The temperature now is start at 50, stop at 40. Hay什么提示？还有什么？ Okay. Now we finish all the testing of the high components. Later we are going to do the draft testing. Thank you. Okay.